It's a 2016 INFINITI QX60. Never has a family vehicle been so luxurious and fun to drive. With room for 7 and a versatile cabin for cargo, there's little you can't accomplish. 3 rows of elegant leather seating with tri-zone climate control, along with 8 cup holders and 6 bottle holders, leave no room for complaints. INFINITI performance means precise control and incredible power in a meticulously crafted cockpit. Drive Mode Select fine-tunes the ride while you relax on heated seats. Open up your entertainment options with SiriusXM satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, and a USB port. And get ready to be spoiled with INFINITI Intelligent Key, a power liftgate, and INFINITI Intelligent View display. Take this QX60 for a test drive.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.